The pressure sensor for exhaust gases measures the difference in inlet and outlet pressure of the particle filter or the atmospheric pressure and indicates the level of saturation of solid particles on the filter to the control unit. This sensor is one of the elements installed in diesel engine vehicles to comply with the European regulations on contaminating emissions. Two nozzle sensors measure the inlet pressure and the other one the outlet or atmospheric pressure. Other sensors measure the atmospheric pressure through a hole in the body of the sensor. To disassemble the sensor, locate its position in the car by following the pipes connected to the particle filter. Disconnect the battery so that no current is supplied to the sensor. Remove the connector as follows. Release the sensor from its fixing system as shown next. Finally, manually remove the sensor with one hand and hold the pipe with the other so that it's not pulled out of its nozzle. Check the body of the sensor, the connector and cable to ensure they're in perfect working order. Common causes of malfunction are deteriorated pipes or connection cables, a leak in the sensor or a deterioration at the joint between the pipes, sensor or particle filter. A faulty sensor can also lead to incorrect reading of pressure levels. The possible effects of a malfunctioning exhaust gas pressure sensor can result in the cyclic regeneration of the particle filter when this is not necessary. A loss in power can also be detected if the sensor does not detect the filter saturation level correctly. In case of sensor malfunction, the particle filter LED will be lit and the preheating LED will start flashing. The key must not be in the ignition switch before installing the sensor on the car so that the sensor is not powered. Remember to handle a sensor with care, since it features a ceramic plate. To install the new sensor, replace the pipe and couple it to the corresponding nozzle. Next, install it in the car, making sure that the second pipe is fully secured to the remaining nozzle. Install the sensor on the engine as follows. Finally, couple the connector and ensure that the cable is firmly secured. The correct operation of the sensor guarantees that the emissions of the vehicle do not exceed the limits established by the European Community. Likewise, its correct operation will lengthen the working life of the particle filter.